Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude, smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors, I'm the man in the city, I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
Check it out. So, put a new fuselage on, and this is my second flight with it. New fuselage, new ESC. First time out at the ranch flying it. We're gonna see how it goes. Throw this on my noggin. Alright, you know what? That's about what I wanted. Ah, almost. Oh. So we need to keep a little more throttle on there. What time is it? If it's before 6:15, I might get one more in there. Ooh, it's 6:09. Let's see if it can take off without the flaps. Woo, nope. And that took off the landing gear, really? So that, everybody, oh, that came out clean too. That is one, that means we'll go ahead and put this away. That is one of the things with the landing gear on here. Brand new fuselage. I hit a clump of grass and it pulled it out. But yeah, that happens. On my first fuselage, I actually had that sealed in there with some instant hoof for old Midnight over there. Excuse me. But yeah, you know what? That was a good flight. I got one in, that's what I wanted. I'm gonna glue this landing gear back on, and I think we'll go get a morning flight. But you know what? That'll do for now. Ah, there we go, there we go. But yeah, I'm happy with that one. That'll work. I'll see y'all next time.